Hey guys, Manifest here. What is going on? So today I'm going to be drawing Danky Kang per suggestion by one of my subscribers. Now, if you don't know what Danky Kang is, it's not actually Donkey Kong. The story behind Danky Kang was that they were on a game show and the question was, who is blue and can run fast and collects rings? And obviously the answer to that would be Sonic. But one of the contestants, thinking it was Donkey Kong, put Danky Kang instead. So it's kind of like a funny meme going around the internet now, so I got asked to draw it, and indeed I did, with lots of joy behind that, because this was something super fun to draw. It's more for laughs than actual serious art. But things about this, it was probably harder to do the outlining than it was to do the shading, because I just used one simple bland color of shading just to get all the blue fur in, and I just left everything else pretty bright. So it wasn't really difficult in that respect, but it was still fun to draw. So if you did like the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will catch you guys in the next video. Manifest out.